Good day, viewers, and welcome to your best hub for learning sciences, Jalo Science Academy. I am Mohammed Jalo. In this tutorial, I'll be taking you through your mathematics. I'll be responding to a question posed by one of our viewers, a word problem questions, demanding that we should help him solve it. And this is the question. So the question is this: when a fraction is reduced to its lowest term, it is equal to 3 upon 4. The numerator of the fraction, when doubled, will be 34 greater than the denominator. Find the fraction. We are going to let the numerator and the denominator of the fractions to be letters because we don't know the fraction. So we let the numerator to be x, and we let the denominator to be y. Meaning the fraction will be x upon y. So we are told when the fraction is reduced to its lowest term, it is 3 upon 4. Okay. Meaning this fraction here, x upon y, is equal to 3 upon 4. Why are we saying x upon y is equal to 3 upon 4? It is because they are equivalent fractions. For example, 1 upon 2 is the same as 2 upon 4, is the same as 5 upon 10, is the same as 6 upon 12, is the same as 8 upon 16. When you simplify each of these ones, you will get 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. So we can therefore say these fractions are equal because they are equivalent fractions. So in this case, we can cross multiply. This denominator multiplies this multiply this. So we get 4x is equal to 3y. So this will let it to be our first equation. So letting this be our first equation, we read further. The numerator of the fraction, when doubled, will be 34 greater than the denominator. The numerator will let it to be x. So doubling the numerator, double numerator. So doubling the numerator means we multiply the numerator by 2. So that will give us 2x. But this numerator, when doubled, is 34 greater than the denominator, meaning if we want the numerator and the denominator to be equal, we are either going to subtract 34 from the doubled numerator so that it will be equal to the denominator, or we add 34 to the denominator so that the double numerator will be equal to the denominator. So we can write it as 2x minus 34 is equal to y, because we are told that the numerator, when doubled, is 34 greater than the denominator. So when you subtract 34 from twice the numerator, that will give you the denominator. So meaning here, we can say y is equal to 2x minus 34. This gives us our second equation. So now what we do, we are going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. Substitute 2 into 1. And 1 says 4x is equal to 3y. So wherever we see y, we substitute 2x minus 34. So we get 4x is equal to 3 into 2x minus 34. So 4x will give us 6x minus 3 by this will give us 102. So we're going to transpose this. So 4x minus 6x will be equal to negative 102. So this will give us negative 2x is equal to negative 102. So we divide here by negative 2, here by negative 2. This cancels. X remain. This and this will cancel, and our answer becomes 51, meaning the numerator is 51. So next, what we do, substitute x is equal to 51 into equation 2. So substituting this into equation 2, y will be equal to 2x minus 34 for equation 2. So wherever we see x, we put 51. So y will be equal to 2 by 51 minus 34. So y will be equal to 2 by 51 is 102 minus 34. Y is equal to 68. Meaning our fraction is equal to 51 upon 68. This becomes the fraction that we have to calculate. Now, we want to prove if this answer is correct. So if we simplify this, we have to get 3 upon 4. What number can we divide by 51 to give us 3 upon 4? So if we say 51 divided by 3, 51 divided by 3, that gives us 17. So meaning 51 divided by 3, 17. So if we divide 51 by 17, 51 upon 68 now. If we divide this by 17, we get 3. Now let's see if we divide 68 by 17, if we get 4. 68 divided by 17, our answer is 4. Therefore, the fraction is correct. Okay? So thank you very much for watching the video. You can like our video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell to be notified each time we release a new video. Mind you, our Facebook platform is very active, Jallo Science Academy. You can like our page on Facebook. There's also a study group on Telegram, Jallo Science Academy. You can join the channel, drop your questions, your assignment, and we'll help you solve them. So continue sending in your questions and continue to share our videos, share our links so that your colleagues too can benefit. Thank you for watching this video.